Most people get this wrong. They think private stock trading is only for large investors. But the surprising truth about Nasdaq Private Market is that it provides a regulated platform for employees, investors, and companies to buy and sell private company shares efficiently. Nasdaq Private Market enables private companies to offer liquidity for their shareholders without going public. Employees with stock options can sell shares, and investors can participate in secondary transactions. This provides flexibility for ownership while maintaining company privacy. The platform offers robust compliance and security features. All transactions follow regulatory requirements, and investors go through verification processes to ensure legitimacy. This reduces risks associated with private share trading. One key feature is portfolio management. Users can track their holdings, pending transactions, and valuations in one dashboard. Companies benefit too, as they can manage employee stock option programs and monitor secondary market activity without complex paperwork. On the downside, access is typically limited to accredited investors or company employees, so it's not open to everyone. Transaction fees can also apply, and not all private companies participate in the platform. The surprising truth is that Nasdaq Private Market brings transparency, compliance, and liquidity to private company shares, which traditionally were hard to trade outside venture capital networks. In conclusion, Nasdaq Private Market is ideal for employees, investors, and private companies seeking a secure and regulated way to manage and trade private shares. Subscribe for more honest reviews on platforms that bridge the gap between private investing and public markets.